Welcome to Dynamic Computer School.
Types of computer purpose, characteristics, and examples.
Supercomputers. Purpose. Used for complex scientific calculations, simulations, and data analysis. Characteristics. Extremely fast and powerful, can perform trillions of calculations per second. Examples. Weather forecasting, nuclear simulations, scientific research.
Mainframe computers. Purpose: used in large organizations for bulk data processing, such as transaction processing, airline reservations, and census data. Characteristics: high performance, large scale computing capabilities with the ability to support thousands of users simultaneously. Examples: IBM Z Series, HP Nonstop. Mini-computers, mid-range computers. Purpose: serve as intermediate systems between mainframes and personal computers. Characteristics: multi-user systems designed for specific tasks like database management and enterprise applications. Examples: VAX AS/400. Personal computers, PCs. Purpose: general purpose computers for individual use, suitable for a wide range of tasks like word processing, gaming, and web browsing. Types: desktop computers, designed to be placed on a desk, offering a powerful configuration with a large monitor. Laptop computers, portable computers with built in battery and compact design. Tablet PCs, portable touchscreen computers, often running mobile operating systems. Workstations, high performance personal computers for technical applications such as graphic design, engineering, and scientific computing. Servers. Purpose: provide services to other computers' clients on a network, like hosting websites, managing databases, or storing files. Characteristics: high storage capacity, reliable, and capable of handling many simultaneous requests. Examples: web servers, file servers, database servers. Embedded systems purpose: designed to perform a dedicated function within a larger mechanical or electrical system. Characteristics: low power consumption, compact, and highly specialized. Examples: microcontrollers in cars, home appliances, medical devices, and industrial machines. Gaming consoles. Purpose: dedicated devices for playing video games. Characteristics: optimized for high quality graphics, sound, and user interactivity. Examples: PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch. Hybrid computers. Purpose: combine the features of both analog and digital computers to process both continuous and discrete data. Examples: used in specialized applications like medical equipment, ECG machines, or industrial control systems. Quantum computers. Purpose: exploit quantum mechanics principles to perform calculations much faster than classical computers for certain types of problems. Characteristics: experimental stage, with potential for revolutionizing fields like cryptography, optimization, and material science.